blue color, blue color, yellow color, yellow color, red color, red color, black color, black color, green color, green color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use blue color. O-N-E 1. Kids again use blue color and draw 2. T-W-O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4 and use yellow color. Yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use red color. Red color. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids again use red color and draw 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and use black color. Black color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use black color and draw 10. T-E-N 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use green color. Green color. Kids again use green color and draw 12. Kids now draw 13. Kids now draw 14. The numbers of 14 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 15. Kids now draw 16. The numbers of 16 and use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw 17. Kids now draw 18. The numbers of 18 kids now draw 19. The numbers of 19 and use yellow color. Yellow color. $20. The numbers of 20. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Hello kids, welcome back to ABC Show Learning channel. Today finding capital letters, alphabets A to Z. A for apple, A for ant. B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for car. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for elephant. F for fish, F for fan. G for God, G for grapes. H for hand, H for helicopter. I for ice, I for ice cream. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K for kite, K for king. L for lion, L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. N for nose, N for nest. O for orange, O for octopus. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for quail. R for rose, R for rice. S for sun, S for sheep. T for teacher, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for uncle. V for van, V for vanilla. W is for watch, W is for wolf. X for X-ray, X for xylophone. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.